if there's anything you're going to get out of class today, your trap has to be bedded solid. If it's not bedded solid, the whole game's over. And I can tell you how you'll remember this. When you're walking on a stream and you go to step on a rock and that rock moves, you're going to back up. That's just what that animal's going to do. If he steps on this trap, he steps in that trap and it even moves that much, he's going to pull his foot back. He's already a little skeptical of what's going on there because he knows he didn't do this. A little tricky. So that's the biggest thing. So everybody get ready down here and get your traps bedded. We're going to actually make a set here. Just make sure your trap is bedded. I know the holes ain't exact. They should be back at about 9 inches, give or take. One thing I want to show them real quick. When you're setting these traps, this is your dog. You don't want to put that ever facing where your animal's going to come in. We want him to come in here. If you put that there like that, he steps here. When that jaw comes up, it's pulling that dog up. It's going to pull up. His paw is going to go with it. There's too much pressure on it. He's done. He's out of here. So anytime you're setting, get it right or left. It really doesn't matter on that. Just the biggest thing is make sure it's set and it is in there tight. How you doing? Get that?
Oh my God.
Yeah, where do you got to add dirt? Shove it down in there. Shove it. Yeah, there you go. And what you got to do is keep your hand on it like this. See? Push down on that. Now shove your dirt in there.
How is it? Right, hon? No, push. Yeah, it's getting there.
You're going. Okay, now check it. Check it. See, go like this. See a little teetery right there? See it? So that means you got to add more dirt to the side or something. Just underneath those levers. Alright. Try it again. Oh, that's getting better. Oh, see, now you gotta pack underneath there. Just keep packing. Try it again.
It's a little better.
All right.
Keep going.
What we're going to act like now is we got our trap pan cover on. We all feel pretty confident that it's not moving at all. So what we're going to do now is make it invisible.
All right.
Our trap pan cover's on it. We've got the bait in the hole. We like it. Shake your sifter right over that, partner. There you go.
Good job. There you go. Perfect.
Right over.
Good job.
All this is right in front of your